Hi folks, it's David with DS1 Phone Systems, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate our Smart app. Our Smart app is available for download in both the Google Play Store and the iPhone App Store. In a few minutes I'm going to show you how to download the app, but first I'd like to go over some of the benefits of using it. So our smartphone app has a very easy to use interface. As you can see here is the dialing pad. You've also got a voicemail indication key down here. You have your contacts. This will automatically download all of your telephone contacts from your cell phone, and if you call out using the app, it will send out your business number, not your personal cell phone number. You have messaging between users. You can get a call history of the calls that have come to the Reach UC on your device and view that history and call back from the history as well. So a very intuitive, easy to use interface that will be very easy for you to learn and to use each day. Some of the in-call options are you have ability to handle any phone call the same way you would at your desk phone. And by that I mean you'd be able to put people on hold. You could actually record the calls. It would save it to your memory on your smartphone. You have what we call a blind transfer. In other words, transferring a call to another extension blindly. The opposite of that would be an attended transfer, where you're on the line while you're transferring the call to the other employee and announcing who the caller would be. And you could also do a conference call by using the join button. Another nice feature is that when you're not on a call, you also get voicemail indication down here. So you know if you've missed a call, you can simply click on this button and put in your password and listen to the voicemail, the same as if you were sitting at your desk. Next, we have the messaging features of the Reach UC smartphone app. In the smartphone app, you can send and receive SMS messages from your business phone line. So if you have someone sending in a text message, maybe off your website, it would come into the Reach UC. Obviously, the benefit here is that you don't have to give out your personal cell phone number to be in touch with your customers. We have many chiropractors, auto mechanics, doctors' offices that are sending reminders of appointments that they have, or maybe their car is ready, things like that, for these companies that are our customers that are coming from the Reach UC. That way they don't have to have a cell phone designated with a personal cell phone number to send out text messages to their customers. It also allows you to do texting between users that also have the Reach UC. So maybe other employees that download the Smart app, you could text them or message them by pulling up the Reach UC as well. That would just be another way that your employees could be in contact with one another. So the Reach UC has many different options for communications. As is spelled out in this slide, the single long tap will pull up this menu for you. Maybe you just want to send a message, a text message back to the person that called you. You could press the callback button. You could do a GSM call, which means that if the call would then switch over to your regular cell phone call. You could do a video call, or simply just by using the call button be able to connect to your party using the Reach UC, which is standard. When other employees download the Reach UC app, you have the ability to make video calling from one extension to another. So the Reach UC takes a video connection off of your smartphone and connects to the other user via video. And it might be helpful for you to see information, or if one employee is trying to show another employee something remotely, you could use this video calling feature to demonstrate something. The real-time presence is also available on the smartphone app. So the ReachUC presence panel shows you the status of other users in your office, whether they're available, busy, or offline, and all of this is in real time. Some of the other benefits to our smartphone app on the ReachUC: calls that are sent directly to your desk phone extension will ring on the app by default. So that means if someone's calling you from another extension or transfers a call to your desk phone, the smartphone app will ring automatically. You can obviously put the app in Do Not Disturb. If you don't want it to ring during business or off business hours, you can turn it on and off with the toggle of the switch for Do Not Disturb. So you sort of control when you'd like it to ring. Another nice benefit to the smartphone app is that you can transfer calls from your desk phone to the app. So while you're on a call on your desk phone, you can just simply hit the *99 and the app will ring and you can answer it and hang up your desk phone. No longer are you going to be tethered to your desk and trying to get to a meeting. You can transfer a call to the app and basically walk out the door, get in your car, and go to a meeting without disconnecting your call. Another benefit would be calls that are coming into your main phone number can be programmed to ring the app. So maybe you're away from your desk most of the time and you would never like to miss a call. We can help you by programming your main number to ring the app as well. It normally by default does not ring the app, but we could set that up for you in a matter of minutes. That is not to be confused with the feature up here when your desk phone extension rings, that the app rings. There's a different ringing assignment for the main phone number that has different rules applied for it. So the name of our app is ReachUC. That's all one word. It stands for Reach Unified Communications. So you'll need to go to the App Store if you've got an Apple phone, or go to the Google Play if you've got an Android device. Go over to each of those locations and type in the word ReachUC into the search bar. Okay, so here on the Apple Store, this is what the icon looks like for you to download ReachUC by SVM Technologies. So just go ahead and download that if you're an Apple user. And if you're an Android user, you would go to the Google Play Store and type in ReachUC and click on Install. So once you download the app, you're going to have a screen that looks like this. It's going to ask you for your username and password, and that's all you need to put in to log into the system. So remember back here when we log into the portal, this will be the exact same credentials you'll need to log into the ReachUC. So if your login name is 101 with your company name and your 8-character password that includes 1 capital letter and 1 number, that is the same thing that you'll put into the ReachUC. So after you put in your credentials, the ReachUC will ask you, would you like to give access to your camera, to your microphone, all those different options, download your existing contacts. I just say yes to everything. If I ever want to call back a contact using the ReachUC, it will already appear in the ReachUC's contact list, and I can call back out either using my own regular cellular number or the ReachUC number. So again, remember that the ReachUC is going to be sending out the business number when you call people back while using the app. One last thing that you'll need to change once you download the ReachUC is you'll need to change the ringtone. The ReachUC chooses your default ringtone for your regular cell phone and makes it the same ringtone. So you're going to want to click up here This is the settings button. And your settings will then appear for you. Once into the settings, you're going to want to click on Preferences. And once you're into the Preferences menu, you're going to want to click on Ringtone right here. And that will give you about 20 to 30 different ringtones that you could choose from. I chose on here the old phone ringtone, so you can hear what I've chosen here. I'll play it for you. So basically I know that that's a call coming from ReachUC, not from my regular cell phone, because it's a different ringer. I hope that this video has been helpful to you to learn more about the benefits of our smartphone app, the ReachUC. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call or email me, david@ds1phonesystems.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.